Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you are.
Hey loves, and welcome back to the Vibes. It's your girl Rina, and it has been so long, but it feels good to be back on YouTube. I know it's been a little while, but if you're following me on Instagram or TikTok, then you know that I've been super active. I missed these sit down chit chatty videos with you guys, so I thought I would ease back in with a little video and some skincare, of course. Because honestly, as well as makeup, skincare is also like my therapy. And I feel like it is a great way for us to reconnect while doing what I love to do the most. And that is taking care of this face of mine. You know, good vibes, self-care, and a little chat. So I like to start my skincare routine with the Garnier Hyaluron Barrier Repair Liquid Care. I love starting with this because it's like giving my face a tall glass of water. It helps to hydrate, plump, and helps to strengthen my skin barrier, which is everything, especially when the seasons change. Next up, we have the L'Oreal Revitalift Filler 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Now this serum is basically my hydration powerhouse. It's gonna give me that plump, juicy look and helps to soften my fine lines. And look at that. Ooh, yes. This bad boy here. Woo! The L'Oreal Age Perfect Serum Le Duo. This right here is my glow booster. With vitamin C to brighten, retinol to smooth, it's like the perfect duo for glowing skin over time. And look at the glow. Then we have the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. This eye cream is so rich and nourishing. The avocado makes it super creamy and it just melts in to keep my under eyes nourished and hydrated all day long. Then we have the L'Oreal Revitalift Laser Triple Action Age Correcting Day Cream. And this is like your 3-in-1. It smooths, firms, and brightens. It's basically a shortcut to healthy looking skin in just one step. Now, no skincare routine is complete without some SPF. And this is the Roche-Posay Anthelios Oil Control Fluid SPF 50. This one is amazing. It protects against UVA, UVB, and even long UVA rays, while keeping me matte and shine free. And that was my skincare routine. Those are the products that are giving me hydration and that glowy skin right now. Like, they really are. And I've been trying a lot of products through PR lately and TikTok Shop. Don't sleep on TikTok Shop. But I feel like this routine I keep going back to because, hello, yeah. It's been good to come back, and what I want to know is what type of long form videos do you want to see? Like, do you want to see day in the life? Do you want to see vlogs? Do you want to see makeup tutorials? Do you want to see creative makeup, soft glam? Like, what do you want to see? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, do so. Press the bell so you're notified every time I post. I'm going to try and aim at like a post a week, just because life be lifing. But be sure to follow my socials. Here's my Instagram at RinaVibez, and here is my TikTok at RinaVibez. I do prefer TikTok, I'm not gonna lie. I live on TikTok, yeah. So that's where you will catch me. I'm hella active, but it's been good, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm your girl RinaVibez, and I'll see you next time. Bye.